welcome to my channel. It's me, Jenny DIY. So welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how I make this top. This leopard print here. So I'll be showing you how I make this top and how you can also create the pattern. So I'll be showing you all in this video. And if you have any question, just feel free to leave your comment below. And if you're new watching me, thank you. Welcome to my channel, and please do check out my other video. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up. And yeah, let's get started. Ciao. So you will need a fabric, like I have 1.5 yard fabric here, and also your elastic, and you can see I'm using one big and the small one. I'm going to show you how I use it. And now you also need a brown paper roll. You can see the one I'm using, and I'm going to be using one of my top to create this pattern, but you can also use a basic shirt. So I place the top like this, and I'll fold it. So I'm going to mark on the armhole, but I'm not going to mark fully on the I'm just going to mark maybe the middle of the armhole. And you can see I also leave some allowance because I'm using a elastic band, so I'll leave some allowance. And this is how you create a off shoulder top. So here I have the pattern. So now I'm going to make the sleeve. So to create the sleeve, I'm going to use also the pattern that I made, and I'm going to use it to create the sleeve. And you can see I place it, and I'm going to measure like 25 centimeter. And on that 25 centimeter, I divide it in two, and I'll place it half. And this is where I'm going to mark my sleeve. So this is where I'm going to mark the armhole. You can see that. And I'll now draw it like V. You can see what I mean. And yeah, and I'll now cut it out. So now I have the sleeve and the top, so I'm now going to cut it. And before you cut, you have to also measure to your belly button to know where the top, because this is crop top. So I'm going to cut out these pieces, and I'm going to use it for the band. This is why I'm going to use the elastic one, the one that is big. This is why I'm going to use it. I'll show you what I mean later. So I'm going to use this for the band, and I'm going to place it on bottom of the top. So I'll also cut out some centimeter off on the sleeve. That's where I want the length to be. That is the length of the sleeve. So now I'm going to cut out all the pieces, and to cut it out you have to cut it depending on how much of your fabric. But I'm going to cut the top and the sleeve. I'm going to cut it on fold. So I want to show you what I made. So depending on your fabric, it's either you fold it or maybe you double fold it before you cut. So I place it on fold, as you can see. And the sleeve also, I'll place it also on fold. So here I cut out the top for the both side and also the sleeve. And this is the sleeve, is 2. And here is the band that I told you I'm going to use later, is also 2. So now first thing I'm going to do is to stitch the both side of the top and also the sleeve. I'm going to stitch it up. So here is the sleeve. I stitch it, and now I'm going to attach the both sleeve on the top. So I'm going to attach it together. So here is the top. You can see that I hem the edge with a zigzag stitch and also the sleeve. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fold it. This is where I'm going to add the elastic band. So I'm going to fold and pin all around the edge. So I also leave some opening where I will attach the elastic band. So I'm going to stitch it now. And for the sleeve, I wanted to attach an elastic band also, but I decided to leave it. I just fold it and leave it like that. So you can now see the top. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach the band, and to do that I'm going to use the rest pieces to make that. So I will pin it on the elastic band and fold it and now sew on it before I attach it on the top. This is very simple. You just fold it. You just fold it and pin it, and then you sew it, or you stretch it while sewing it. So here is the band now. You see how I made it. So now I'm going to attach it on the top. So you pin by the side and also by the both side, and then while sewing it you have to stretch it so that it will match up with the top. So here is the finished look. It's so simple and easy to make. So show me if you like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like this video. If you have any question, just feel free to leave your comment. So yeah, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.